Hello, it's GUMY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a video into another language with AI in a really quick and easy way, so don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Let's go! So thanks to artificial intelligence, we can now translate any video into any language with a fairly professional result. So I admit that I have tested dozens of voice translation tools with artificial intelligence. There are either some that are too complicated or some that don't work well enough. But I really found the perfect tool which is really simple to use and which really produces a super professional result. I'll show you a little example right away. So this is my original video that I made in French. I'll show you the first 10 seconds.
GUMY, dans cette vidéo, je vais montrer comment avoir un compte Spotify Premium gratuit. Tu vas voir, c'est vraiment tout simple, donc si t'es prêt, c'est parti.
And now I'm going to show you the same video, which was translated using artificial intelligence into English.
Hello, it's GUMY. In this video, I'm going to show how to get a free Spotify Premium account. You'll see it's really quite simple, so if you're ready, let's go.
You see, it's quite impressive. It's really well done. So the tool I use is the dub.ai site, which works really well. You can find the link to dub.ai directly below the YouTube video, either in the description bar here or in the first pinned comment. Just click on the link, you will be automatically redirected to the dub.ai website. And what's more, you can take advantage of a free trial period to be able to translate your videos. You should know that there are more than 30 languages available on GUMY. You can see examples here on their website which will show you that the same video has been translated into 25 languages. It can even clone your own voice to give it that little tone that is specific to your tone of voice, as you could see in the examples that I showed you. You can also directly have a transcript of the subtitles of your video, which you will be able to appear or not on your translated video, so that's super practical too. And the translation will recognize up to 10 people on the same video, and it will translate their voices separately in a super simple way. So on the dub.ai platform, you simply have to click at the top right on try for free. You click on it. Then you simply have to register with an email address or simply a Google account. I'm going to register with my Google account, like this. Once that's done, you have a short tutorial that you may or may not read to learn how to use Debian. And then directly you will be able to translate a video. So you simply need to give your project a title. For example, you can put test here. Then you will be able to directly upload a video that you have on your computer to the website. Then you simply have to enter the language of the original video. So for me, it was in French. Then you indicate which language you want to have your video translated into. So I'm going to have it translated, come on, we'll say it in Japanese. And then you can indicate how many people there are speaking. For me, there is one person speaking. Then you have three options. You can click on the first one here to clone your own voice with the same tone of voice in another language. It's very practical. Then you can also enable or disable the fact that the video will keep background noises in addition to translating your voice. And finally, you can also activate the option to add automatically translated subtitles to your video, which will appear in the image, as I told you. Then just click on 2 bits like this. Your project is therefore launched, and it will normally begin shortly. So there you have it. You can see that the translation is being done. So it takes about 4 minutes. So it's really very fast. And then you know that you will have a free one on the website to see. So if you like it, and if you want to translate a lot more videos, you can then go through a paid offer. So you have to click at the top on the purple button where it's marked upgrade. So you click on it, you see that you have 3 different plans. I started directly with this plan to test and then see if it gave a good result. And since I was 100% convinced, now I'm at Creator Plan, which allows me to translate up to 2 hours of videos per month, which is huge. And compared to other competitors, it's really very good value for money. It's really not expensive. And then for people who would have need a lot of hours of translation per month. Typically, I don't know, I'm a YouTuber or a content creator, and well after that there are other plans that allow you to translate up to 10 hours and more depending on the needs. And then we can see that the video has been processed, so we simply have to click on view to see the result. We're going to click play.
こんにちは、GUMYです。このビデオでは無料の Spotify プレミアムアカウントを取得する方法を説明します。非常に簡単であることがわかるので、準備ができたら始めましょう。遠慮せず。
And there you have it. As you can see, the result is really good. In addition, it ensures that you keep the rhythm of the video that has been translated. This way you say the right sentences at the right time to keep synchronization with the video image. And then, if you want to download it, you simply have to click on download here. And then your video downloads, and then all you have to do is open it on your computer. And note that the logo here of the site disappears if you upgrade to the paid version, of course. This way you have a very professional result. So there you have it. You know everything. You have the link under the video. Don't hesitate. It was GUMY. Ciao.